Surrounded by the lush greenery of gardens and overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, lies a legendary landmark with the most breathtaking views. Welcome to Gran Hotel Taoro, an iconic destination in the north of Tenerife. Step beyond and discover the authentic spirit of this northern region, from the vibrant streets and cultural heritage of its towns to its stunning natural wonders. Gran Hotel Taoro is a unique gateway to the island's hidden treasures. We invite you to dream and explore from Spain's first luxury Grand Hotel, a 19th century establishment that used to host European royalty, aristocracy, and illustrious figures, now meticulously restored to offer you a captivating experience. Step into a world of refined elegance and outstanding service. Here, every space is thoughtfully designed to blend the colonial architecture with modern sophistication and comfort, providing the most exclusive retreat. Whether you are drawn by the promise of culinary delights, the allure of historical charm, or the desire for serene relaxation, this luxury urban resort promises to exceed every expectation. Gran Hotel Taoro is more than a stay. It is the beginning of an unforgettable journey to the heart of Tenerife. Rediscover Tenerife. Rediscover Gran Hotel Taoro.